I tried Citadel One Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Citadel One Wallet app, I thought it would just be another crypto management tool. But after using it for 7 straight days, the shocking truth is this Citadel One feels less like a simple wallet and more like a complete digital finance hub. The first thing that caught my attention was how clean and professional the interface looked. Citadel One supports multiple blockchains from Bitcoin and Ethereum to Cosmos, Near and Polkadot. During my test week, I used it to manage staking across different networks, and the experience was surprisingly smooth. What most people get wrong is assuming Citadel One is just a place to hold tokens. In reality, it's an all-in-one platform where you can store, stake, swap, and even vote on governance proposals directly from the app. That's a huge deal for anyone active in DeFi or Web communities. Security-wise, it's non-custodial, meaning I had full control of my private keys. But what impressed me most was how seriously it takes user protection. Every transaction required multi-layered confirmation, and I never felt rushed or exposed. I also tested the in-app swap feature. It connected seamlessly to decentralized liquidity pools, letting me exchange tokens across different chains without leaving the app. And yes, the transaction speeds and gas optimization were better than I expected. The only downside? It's built for people who want more than just buy and hold. If you're new to crypto, the range of features might feel overwhelming at first. But once you get the hang of it, it's like having your own command center for digital assets. After a full week, the shocking truth was clear. Citadel One isn't just another wallet. It's a serious tool for crypto investors who want to manage their portfolio, stake across networks, and stay fully in control, all from one powerful, intuitive app.